What's going on, everyone? Sean here from Crypto and Cause Investing, back with another exciting token review. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the call channel link down below. Now, for the last few months, kind of leading up to this bull run, or we may even be in a bull run, we've been talking about a lot of meme tokens. Now, when I first started the channel, it was definitely utility-based tokens, but going through research, listening to listeners, they wanted the opportunity to get into a lot of meme tokens, so I definitely leaned towards making meme tokens. But with that said, I don't want to lose sight in the real utility projects that you can get behind and invest in long term. Now, today, the project we're going to be talking about is Ago, and it's one of those projects that offer a heavy load of utility and a potential for longer term investing. Now with Ago, they're going to be merging traditional financial services and decentralized finance with a single application owned by its users. Using blockchain technology, they're going to eliminate unnecessary middlemen, ensures transparency and security, which anytime you can eliminate that middleman, it helps with financials, it helps with transparency, and it helps with security. So it's always a good thing. Now we are firstly going to go ahead and hit on the Ago card. We're also going to touch on the exchange, trading, governance, adventures, and ultimately, obviously, we're going to talk some details about the Ago token itself. So first up, we have that debit card. Now, Ago simplifies your crypto experience by connecting traditional finance and DeFi. Hopping on over, we're going to talk some details about the card. Now, remember, everything here is going to be completely decentralized. Everything's non-custodial, meaning everything here is yours in your own wallet. There's going to be a DAO that allows all the token holders to vote for new features. So just keep that in mind as we go over this. This is all completely decentralized, which is what most of us are here for. So spend your way every day. Now, this debit card is free. Ago debit card features will include no annual fees, get up to 8% cash back, which is very solid. You can also top up with crypto fiat. Say goodbye to fees. At Ago, we slash all monthly and annual fees. As I was saying, it is free. Now, as the custodian of your assets, you'll be in control of your crypto wallet. Swap crypto for fiat to spend your way every day. As I was saying before I started this segment, this is all completely decentralized. Now, complete the form to pre-order your Ago debit card today. There's over 10,000 people that have went ahead and filled out this form. So it's not too late. Hop on over. I will link it in the description down below so you can easily get here. Now, can I buy crypto directly with credit card? Yes, it is possible. What is the ICO price? Which we're going to go over that in a little bit. And then can I connect to my MetaMask or Trust Wallet? So they do connect to pretty much all major crypto wallets. Next, we're going to be hopping over to talk about that exchange. Access to over 1,000 crypto pairs. We have the best rates up to 0.20%. PancakeSwap, for comparison, is going to be at about 0.25%, with Uniswap at about 0.30%. The lowest slippage, for those that might be newer and don't know what that is, slippage occurs when there is a discrepancy between the expected price of your cryptocurrency and the price at which the order is filled. So the lower you can set the slippage, the closer you're going to be to getting back that guaranteed price that you expect to get when you execute the trade. Funds are going to be safe. It's going to be your keys, your crypto, so you don't have to worry about that. We have an easy to use interface. Also, rewards. Swap crypto pairs in real time on the Ago decentralized exchange and get up to 45% in crypto rewards. Who doesn't like getting rewards for something that you're doing anyway when you're trading? Also, when it comes to platform fees, as we went over, they're aiming to be the best rates for all your trades. Again, 1,000 crypto pairs. Swap more, pay less. Don't let the market get the better of you. Swap more than 1,000 crypto pairs with the lowest slippage in the market. Also, again, can't reiterate this enough. This is completely decentralized, so keep your crypto safe. While centralized exchanges hold your crypto assets, Ago puts the power in your hands. Be the only custodian of your crypto by owning your futures, which again, this is an extremely important statement. Always make sure that you own your own crypto. We've seen so many centralized exchanges go bankrupt, and people a lot of times lose their funds that they have tied up in it. All right, so we're going to be moving right along to the trading section. So Experience Trading 3.0. Built on blockchain technology, the Ago decentralized trading platform makes trading easier than ever. And since we've cut out the broker as the middleman, you have direct access to crypto market in real time 24/7. Now, trading at its best. We have maker fees, we have taker fees. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what that is. A lot of people probably aren't familiar with those terms. So maker fees are charged when placing limit orders away from the market, while taker fees apply to immediate market orders. Taker fees are often higher than maker fees as payment for liquidity taken from the market. Now these fees, so maker fees up to 0.02, taker fees up to 0.07, which are extremely low. I've seen maker and taker fees up to about 0.4 to 0.6, not 0.04, 0.4 to 0.6. So these are extremely low maker and taker fees. We also have liquidity, and a lot of it. Enjoy direct access to the largest trading liquidity pool, which on any exchange you always want to see some liquidity. Again, we went over it, but the lowest slippage. So when you execute that trade, you're going to get back very closely to what you are expecting to get back. Instant, best trade executions done in real time. So it's good. You always want it to be instant, obviously. Fairest trading conditions, no market making. So there is no market making by cutting out the broker as the middleman. We have fund safety. Again, it's going to be your crypto. It's not going to be held by the exchange. Wide variety of assets. Get access to 50 plus crypto pairs 24/7. Also, this is something very cool right here, is social trading. Gain access to specialized algorithms and benefit from the performance of our experienced traders, because again, a lot of people getting started don't necessarily know what they're doing. So things like this definitely aid in them. And then no fees. Make instant deposits and withdrawals with no monthly fees. So let's go ahead and talk some governance. Governance. Algo places you at the center of its development by integrating all decentralized autonomous organizations, otherwise known as a DAO, functionality into the application. Participate, vote, and create the future of DeFi. Every day, you're going to be able to vote on new applications, validation of the marketing budget and rewards, and release of reserves for optimal project development, which you can see a little chart right here. Now hopping on over, we're going to hit on the adventure section. So new adventure begins. Discover Agora Adventures. Become an Agora citizen to benefit from exclusive rights and privileges, enhancing your Argo experience. Now, how do you become a citizen? Participate in Argo Adventures to gain experience, increase your citizen level, and receive your Argo Citizen NFT. Or you can buy an Argo Citizen NFT for just $50. Now, your rights, you're going to have the Citizen NFT. So receive an NFT designed by a renowned designer and entrepreneur. Again, not even going to pronounce that right there because I don't want to get it wrong, which offers you a special referral commission and fee reduction. You're going to have an airdrop for select citizens who will receive some airdrops. You're going to have early access, be the first to experience that new feature and functionality. Also VIP status, get exclusive access to select Argo events. Then of course, voting rights help us achieve Argo ambition to become the leading DeFi platform by voting on new developments, products, and features. So with a lot of utility, it means there's a lot to talk about. So after all that, we're finally making our way to the token itself. So the Argo token will run natively on the BNB chain and Ethereum network. This will allow you to benefit fully from DeFi expansion, which means you're getting the exposure from BNB and you're also getting the exposure from Ethereum, which is good to see. Also important to note on the Argo platform, Argo is used for all transactions, giving up to an 18% reduction in transaction fees, which is awesome to see that. We have balance between supply and demand. So we've set the number of Argo tokens at 300 million tokens. No additional tokens will be issued, meaning that they will never mint more tokens. When they started, it had 300 million tokens and it will never go above that. Our objective is to limit the number of Argo tokens available on the market, as a sudden increase in the supply of the tokens may lower the token's price. Again, supply and demand. Less tokens you have, the more potential demand will be incoming. We also have token burn-in. So tokens that are not sold during the ICO may be burned, i.e. destroyed, for those that aren't familiar with that term, limiting the available number of tokens on the market. Any Argo token that are not burned may be used to reward the Argo community, among other things. The token distribution, we have 66.7% ICO, which is the public sale, 11.6% reserved, 11.7% for rewards, marketing, and legal, 10% for partners and Teams. Also, when it is launched on PancakeSwap and the DEX, it's going to be launched around 10 cents. I'm going to go ahead and link this down below, but this is where you can go ahead and get your algo. Also, looking at the chart, overall, the chart does look pretty good. Don't really subscribe to technical analysis on this channel, but some of the numbers are 250,000 in liquidity. They are inching closer and closer to that 1,000 holder count with a market cap at 3.55 million. Also, coin market cap listing is live and CoinGecko is soon to follow. Now, next, let's go ahead and hop on over to that Twitter account where they have 27.4 thousand followers. They do have a upcoming live space AMA here on the 2nd at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. So about 24 hours after this video is released. And there is one in particular tweet that I did want to check out. Algo will be listed on a top 10 centralized exchange in the coming days. Which one is your favorite? So you can go ahead and comment down below. Is it going to be MEXC? Is it going to be Bitmart? Is it going to be 2Bit? LBank? You go ahead, hop on over to this tweet and guess which one is coming. But it is coming in the next few days. So when you're doing your own research, please keep that in mind that they do have that catalyst coming. Now, hopping on over to the app, I did go ahead and connect my wallet. Just kind of wanted to show a couple features. We do have my wallet with my BNB chain in my balance. So if you wanted to go ahead and buy, you can click buy and sell. So since I am in the US, I would go to US dollars. Now you can use a credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Cash App. Now you can do BNB, you can do Bitcoin on mainnet, Ethereum on mainnet, but you also have your Ethereum on Arbitrum, all basically networks you have going on. USDT, same thing. So that's how you would buy it with fiat. We can also go ahead and swap with BNB. So let's go ahead and do a transaction, kind of show you. Maybe let's do 0.02. I'm going to get 88 algo. Go ahead and swap right here. Of course, it is going to bring it up. I will go ahead and confirm that. Then we will let that transaction run its course. And swap successfully done. Next, you can go ahead and send. You can go ahead and put your sending right here. You have your algo, you have BNB, ETH, whatever it is that you're sending. You can go ahead and put the wallet address right here and click on simply, hit send. So very easy process we have right here. Very nice UI, very easily done. So I do like when I see that. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show the app and how it works lastly. But guys, remember, everything I say is never financial advice. Always do your own research. Use my video as kind of a stepping stool to start doing your own research, seeing if it's something that you're interested in investing in. But that's going to do it for today's video. And until next time, trade safe.